Hello friends, welcome to EduPanther. Now today we will be solving numericals of laws of motion and mostly linear momentum. In previous section we solved numericals of motion in one dimension. Link will be given in description, you can refer that. So let's start with this numericals. Now before starting numericals we should know the formulas of the chapter. So let's write formula. First formula is the momentum is equal to mass into velocity, where P is what? Momentum, M is mass, V is velocity. Momentum unit is simply kg meter per second, momentum mass is kilogram, and velocity is nothing but meter per second. Second formula which we are going to use here, that is F is equal to ma. F is nothing but force, SI unit is Newton, M is mass, unit kilogram, A is acceleration, and unit is nothing but meter per second square. And the next formula is force can also be written as change in momentum, because it is the rate of change of momentum with respect to time. So we can write mv minus mu upon t, where me is nothing but final momentum and this mu is nothing but initial momentum. Now change in momentum is also called as impulse. Remember that change in momentum is nothing but impulse. Now let's start with the numerical. See, numericals of this chapter are very easy. You have to just write down the data properly and then substitute the values. First, a body of mass 5 kg is moving with a velocity of 2 meter per second. Calculate its linear momentum. So what is the data? Mass 5 kilogram, velocity is 2 meter per second, and we have to find out the linear momentum. So what is the formula for linear momentum? Simply mass into velocity. So mass is 5 and velocity is 2. So 5 to the 10. So 10 unit will be what? Kg meter per second. Always remember unit, otherwise you will lose your marks. See, very simple, P is equal to mv. Now move to the next sum. Second sum, that is the linear momentum of a ball of mass 50 grams. So mass is given as 50 gram. So convert it into kilogram, that will give you 50 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg. Momentum is 0.5 kg meter per second. What will be its velocity? So again same formula, P is equal to mv. So V is equal to P by m. So P is 0.5 and this is 50 into 10 raised to minus 3. So 10 raised to minus 3 will go into numerator, it will become 10 raised to plus 3 upon 50. So that will be 500 upon 50. 500 upon 50 is nothing but 10 meter per second. Now move to the next. A force of 50 Newton acts on a body of mass 2 kilogram. Calculate its acceleration. Acceleration निकालना है. So F is equal to ma. So A is equal to simply F by m. So F is 50 and mass is 2. So 15 by 2 is 7.5. And what will be unit? Unit is very important, meter per second square. So acceleration is what? 7.5 meter per second square. ठीक है, ये सारे के सारे डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूलेज वाले हैं, इसमें ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. अ फोर्स ऑफ 10 न्यूटन. So write down the force as 10 Newton. Mass is 5 kilogram. What will be the acceleration? So again same formula, F is equal to ma. So A is equal to F by m. Just substitute these values, you will get the answer. Okay. So let's move to the next sum. A little bit different. No, the same formula. Calculate the magnitude of the force. In this case, we have to find out the force which, when applied on the body of mass is given as 0.5 kilogram, produces an acceleration of 5 meter per second. So acceleration is given in this case, that is 5 meter per second square. So the formula is what? F is equal to ma. m is 0.5 and this is 5. 5 5 is 25. एक point के बाद decimal, that is 2.5 meter per second square. Very simple question. Now move to the next. A force of 10 Newton. A force of 10 Newton acts on the body of mass 2 kilogram. initial time is what? For 3 seconds. Means what? That force is applied on the body for 3 seconds. Initially at rest. The body was at rest. Calculate its velocity acquired and change in momentum. Change in momentum. So we have F as m into a, mass into acceleration. So mass is 2 kilogram, acceleration is 10, 2 into 10 is what? 20, sorry, F as 10, mass is 2 and acceleration we have to find out. So acceleration is what? 10 by 2 and that will be 5 meter per second square. So first we calculated the acceleration. Why? Because we wanted to calculate velocity and we don't have direct formula for that and data भी वैसा कुछ नहीं था. Now we have this V as u plus at. V is equal to u plus at. Initial velocity is 0, acceleration is 5 and time is what? 3 seconds. So V is equal to 5 3s are 15 meter per second is what? Velocity. ठीक है, तो वेलोसिटी हम लोग डायरेक्ट नहीं निकाल सकते थे, हम लोग ने क्या किया? पहले एक्सेलरेशन निकाला और उसके बाद वेलोसिटी कैलकुलेट कर दी. नाउ द चेंज इन मोमेंटम. नाउ चेंज इन मोमेंटम इज नथिंग बट force into velocity. See, force into time. Force equal to change in momentum. Let's say this is delta P upon T. So F is equal to delta P upon T. So delta P will be what? Force into time. So value of force is 10 Newton and time is 3 seconds. So 10 into 3 is what? 30. 30 what? Kg meter per second. So this is the change in momentum in that body. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे ये भी डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला था, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा इनडायरेक्ट हो गया. फर्स्ट वी कैलकुलेटेड दिस एक्सेलरेशन एंड देन वेलोसिटी. एंड द लास्ट सम, a force act for 10 seconds. So let's say time is what? 10 seconds on a stationary body of mass 100 kilogram. Stationary है, it means that its initial velocity is 0. After which a force ceases to act. मतलब force लगना ही बंद हो गया. The body moves through a distance of 100 meter. Body covers a distance of 100 meter in next 5 seconds. मतलब 5 seconds में उसने distance travel कर लिया इतना. Calculate the velocity acquired, acceleration produced and the magnitude of the force. See, velocity acquired के अपने पास जो formula है, v is equal to u plus at, then we have v square is equal to u square plus 2as, then last one s is equal to ut plus half at square. But ये सब काम आने वाले नहीं because data मेरा incomplete है. But एक simple formula, velocity is equal to displacement upon time होता है. Displacement upon time. एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट देखो कितना दिया था? 100 मीटर. कितने टाइम में ट्रेवल किया उसने? 5 सेकेंड्स में. तो 100 अपॉन 5 दैट इज 20 मीटर पर सेकेंड. सिंपल, बाकी कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं, ये फॉर्मूला यूज़ करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. नाउ यू कैन फाइंड आउट एक्सेलरेशन. एक्सेलरेशन निकाल सकते हैं हम लोग सेकेंड फॉर्मूले से. देखो डायरेक्टली एक्सेलरेशन मिल जाएगा बिकॉज वी स्क्वायर यू स्क्वायर प्लस 2as. तो v की वैल्यू कितनी है? 200 स्क्वायर. इनिशियल वेलोसिटी वाज 0, दिस इज 2. Acceleration we wanted to calculate and displacement is nothing but 100. So this will become 400 and this will be 200 is equal to a. So a is equal to what? 2 meter per second square. Very simple. And the last one is what? Force. Force तो simple है, F is equal to ma. Mass हो गया 100 किलोग्राम और जो acceleration है that is 2. So 100 into 2 is what? 200 Newton. You will get the answer. Very simple question. ठीक है. इसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 to 14 देर विल बी 7 मोर क्वेश्चन. 7 हम लोग ने आज किया, जो 7 रिमेनिंग सम्स हम लोग वो नेक्स्ट वीडियोज़ में करेंगे. तो अभी आपका काम क्या है कि सारे के सारे सम्स रिवाइज कर लो और किसी भी स्टेप में किसी भी सम में डाउट आप कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हो. और 9th ICSE की फिज़िक्स की वर्कशीट आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. कहाँ से? www.edupanther.com से फ्रीली अवेलेबल है. आपको जस्ट रजिस्टर करना पड़ेगा. फर्स्ट रजिस्टर करो और उसके बाद वहाँ से वो डाउनलोड कर लो. ओके, थैंक यू.